Ficus Midnight, bringing elegance and drama indoors. The Ficus Midnight is a showstopper. Its deep, almost black leaves add a touch of drama and sophistication to any indoor space. But beyond its striking looks, this ficus is a surprisingly easy plant to care for, making it a great choice for both seasoned plant parents and beginners alike. In this FAQ, I'll answer your most pressing questions about the Ficus Midnight, from its light and watering needs to common problems and how to fix them. See more 880 species in genus Ficus at monsteraholic.com. How much light does a Ficus Midnight need? The Ficus Midnight thrives in medium to bright indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so avoid placing it in a south-facing window. East or west-facing windows with sheer curtains are ideal. If your home lacks natural light, consider supplementing with grow lights. How often should I water my Ficus Midnight? The key to watering a Ficus Midnight is to avoid extremes. Don't let the soil dry out completely, but also avoid soggy soil, which can lead to root rot. The best way to determine watering needs is to stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly until water runs out the drainage holes. Discard any excess water in the saucer to prevent root rot. Does the Ficus Midnight need high humidity? While the Ficus Midnight tolerates average household humidity, it thrives in a more humid environment. If the air in your home is dry, consider using a humidifier or grouping your plants together to create a microclimate with increased humidity. You can also mist the leaves occasionally, but be mindful of overdoing it, which can promote fungal diseases. What kind of fertilizer should I use for my Ficus Midnight? During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your Ficus Midnight with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. Dilute the fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. In the fall and winter, reduce or stop fertilization altogether as the plant's growth slows down. How often should I repot my Ficus Midnight? A Ficus Midnight will typically need repotting every 2 to 3 years, or when the roots become pot-bound. Signs of a pot-bound plant include slow growth, roots circling the pot, and water draining too quickly. When repotting, choose a pot that's only 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Why my Ficus Midnight is losing leaves. There are a few reasons why your Ficus Midnight might be losing leaves. The most common culprits are underwatering, overwatering, sudden changes in temperature or light, or pests. Check your watering habits, adjust lighting if necessary, and inspect the plant for signs of pests like mealybugs or spider mites. Address the underlying issue, and your Ficus Midnight should bounce back. Why the leaves on my Ficus Midnight are curling. Curling leaves can be a sign of underwatering, but it can also indicate exposure to cold drafts or excessive heat. Ensure proper watering and avoid placing the plant near air conditioners or heaters. Why Ficus Midnight has brown spots on the leaves. Brown spots on the leaves can be caused by several factors, including sunburn from direct sunlight, fungal diseases due to overwatering, or lack of humidity. Address the underlying issue and prune off any severely affected leaves. Ficus Midnight versus Ficus benjamina. The Ficus Midnight is a variety of the popular Ficus benjamina, weeping fig. Both plants share similar care requirements, but the Ficus Midnight stands out with its darker, almost black leaves. The Ficus benjamina typically has glossy green leaves. Ficus Midnight versus fiddle leaf fig. Another popular houseplant, the fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata, also boasts large, glossy leaves. However, the fiddle leaf fig has a more pronounced fiddle-shaped form compared to the Ficus Midnight's oval-shaped leaves. Additionally, the fiddle leaf fig can be more finicky in terms of care, requiring more consistent watering and humidity. Ficus melani versus burgundy. Between Ficus melani and Ficus elastica burgundy, I find that the melani's smaller, more compact growth habit makes it perfect for tight spaces in my home, whereas the burgundy's larger, darker leaves add a bold statement to my living room. Conclusion. The Ficus Midnight is a stunning and relatively low-maintenance houseplant. With proper light, watering, and occasional care, this elegant ficus will add a touch of drama and sophistication to your home for years to come.